Hey, it's Blake from FilterTime. I'm here to tell you about how often you should replace your home air filters. Well, it's different for everybody, and it's the most common question we get for sure. It depends on what quality of filter you buy, how often your air conditioning or heater runs throughout the day, where you live, how many pets, how many people, how old your house is. There's so many different factors to decide how often you should change your filter. But the best thing to do is when you sign up for FilterTime, you can just choose whatever you want. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But you really need to check your filter after 30 days. After 30 days, if it's dirty, log on to FilterTime and change your frequency to every month. And you can also hit ship now, we'll send you a new filter right away. If you check after 30 days and it's still clean, check it again after another 30 days. If it's dirty then you should change every 2 months. If it's still clean after 2 months, well, 3 months is the max. So these filters are rated for 3 months, but like I said, every home's different, so check them every 30 days for the first time you sign up with them.